So the Push is our first truly wireless offering to the market, and it comes in the psychotropical color. We hope to introduce some more color variants moving forward. It's a great product. It's got amazing features. It's got the Skull Candy signature design style element, which is going to be very appealing, and it's got the Skull Candy base, which people love. It's lightweight, it's easy to wear for long hours, it's comfortable, water resistant. So yeah, it's got everything that you guys want in a truly wireless product, and we are looking at bringing more to the market moving forward. Hopefully, yeah, maybe not too long from now.
What's your name and price range?
I'm Amlan Bhattacharya. I'm the CEO of Brandeis. We are the Skull Candy sole distributors in India for the last 10 years.